distinguished himself in terms of his cooperation. Mr. Belfort has helped the government win convictions of over 24 serious offenders and helped them recover millions of dollars to be made available for restitution to their victims.
The sentence of the court shall be 36 months in federal prison. Please remand the defendant.
Shout about it when you got to choose. Every way you look at it, you lose. Where have you gone? Show the magic of our nation turns slowly eyes to you. Woo woo woo. What's that you say, Mrs. Robinson? Joe and Joe has left and gone away. Hey hey hey, hey hey hey.
I'm not ashamed to admit it. When we arrived at prison, I was absolutely terrified.
Belfort, on your feet.
But I needn't have been. See, for a brief, fleeting moment, I'd forgotten I was rich. And I lived in a place where everything was for sale. Wouldn't you like to learn how to sell it?
So listen, I've met some bad motherfuckers in my life. Talking about rock stars, professional athletes, gangsters. I'm telling you, some real bad motherfuckers. But this guy, my good friend Mr. Jordan Belfort, is the single baddest motherfucker I have ever met. So I want you right now to give a warm Auckland, New Zealand welcome for my good friend and the world's greatest sales trainer, Mr. Jordan Belfort.
Thank you. Sell me this pen.
It's a amazing pen. For professionals.
Sell me this pen.
Well, it's a nice pen. You can use the pen to write down thoughts from your life so you can remember.
Sell me this pen.
Well, this pen works, and I personally love this pen, and I think this pen...